This is a 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix. It has a 3.1-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, front fog lights, a traction control system, privacy glass, and a rear spoiler. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.